Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. Is it Jen J though? Is it her? I don't know. I don't know who this is. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. It's been a little bit, but I'm just trying to get back in the groove of things, trying to keep the ball rolling, you know, trying to prevent myself from sabotaging myself. Girl, I am looking so cute though. Like, this hair is film. Matter of fact, you know what? Let's talk about the hair. My hair, as we all know, I am in this protective style challenge. So I am protective styling until June. I think that's what I said, right? So we're in February. We are 2 months in and I'm doing good. I'm not doing too bad. The first hairstyle I did was the kinky braids. And if you haven't watched that video, I will put it right here. Go watch it. It's actually doing very well. Thank you so much for watching my videos, y'all. The second hairstyle I did were these long braids, and so long braids here. You haven't seen it yet because I haven't had time to edit the video yet, but it's coming. I don't want to sit here and give you excuses as to why it's not edited yet. I just know I need to do better. We're gonna do better. We're gonna do better. However, you are gonna be seeing this hairstyle first because it's Valentine's Day and I wanted to have something up for Valentine's Day. I don't know, I wanted to have something. So I stayed up all night. I did my hair, I did my makeup, and I'm filming this, so you're getting this video. And I'm not kidding, it is 1:54 in the morning. After I had my braids in for 3 weeks, and I didn't really want to take them out so early, but I went to Florida, and you know what, we went to the ocean multiple times, and I had sand and salt in my hair, so I really wanted to like take it out, give my hair a good wash, and dip condition and all that good stuff. So that's what I did. I did that last weekend, so 4 or 5 days ago. Today is Thursday. I'm all over the place. My hair looked like it was doing really well until it came down to detangling. And to be honest, this is the reason why you need to be, like, you have to set a day to do your hair, okay? Or a couple of hours. You need to have time set aside. What I did, I had the whole day, but I cleaned the house. I did a bunch of other stuff. I went into groceries, yada, yada, yada. And then I didn't have a lot of time to detangle my hair because, you know, I had work the next day. So I really ripped through my hair. I'm so ashamed to say, but I did. I quickly detangled my hair. And you know, there's no quickly detangle when you have like 4C hair. But that's what I did, and I felt bad, but I really ripped through my hair. So I hope my hair is not too bad at me. Anyway, so this is the style that I came up with for Valentine's Day. I wanted to do something that did not involve extensions. Not a wig, not a weave. I didn't want to add hair, although you could add hair to this. If the little tiny bun is not your style, you can literally crochet some hair in the back and make yourself a big ass bun. You got options with this hairstyle. Anyways, it's filmed. I will, you know what, let's just insert footage now. Alright, so since my hair was already washed, I literally just sat under the hair steamer to infuse some moisture back into my hair. I used a leave-in conditioner and some oil to moisturize, and we're gonna get started with this style. So basically this style composed of several flat twists and a few loose twists in the back. The purpose of the twist is to add a little bit of volume when I am going to create a little tiny bun. So you don't need to be super neat with this. I'm literally just popping in about 5 to 6 twists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 twists in the back. And the front, we are going to start by flat twisting. If you have issues getting neat parts, try to use 2 mirrors. I still do this trick from time to time if I really want to have neat parts, but most of the time I don't bother that much. Anyway, this is YouTube and perfection is key. On the edge control, I'm going in with Up North Natural. This is the only edge control that slays my edges, so I'm in love with it. And we're just gonna start flat twisting. If you need a tutorial on how to flat twist, let me know. But if you are struggling with flat twisting, you could easily go in with some cornrows. We're basically going to repeat part. I'm using a bit of the twisting gel all around. Make sure the edges are smooth, and we're going back with flat twisting. Once you're done with all the flat twists, I'm going in with a little bit of oil on my scalp. You don't need to do this. And right now I'm going to make sure I get a little bit of swoop action, swoopy-doo on the side. And we're done. I think this style is so pretty. It's effortlessly done. It's so elegant. And you can wear this anywhere, a dinner, a movie. Honestly, you can do whatever you want to do. I keep telling you guys, natural hair is so beautiful. You don't need to do too much to it. We did this. This is flat twisted, up north natural, and the edge control. Oh, my face is so beat. I would tell you what I have on, but I have so much makeup on, and you don't care. You don't care about no makeup video or whatever. So we'll skip through the makeup part. I'm gonna say one thing though. One thing I've been really loving with makeup lately is eyelashes. I am actually really bad at putting them on. There's always like a little tiny part that's like wonky, that isn't glued in properly. I don't know. But I've really been loving the look. Anyways, I remember the days I used to struggle doing my eyeliner, so I'm determined to get it right. And actually today I put on false lashes. Obviously my lashes are not that voluptuous. And one of them gave me a little trouble, which is this one. But then this one was first try, boom. And it's like, it's secure. I am so shocked I got it done so quickly and so well. We're gonna work on this eye, but anyways, I've been really loving eyelashes. I just wanted to tell somebody. And another makeup thing that I just really haven't been liking so much is matte lipsticks. I'm falling off of those. I've been really enjoying a nice moisturized lipstick, you know what I mean, a glossy lip. Although what I'm wearing today is matte. It's from Juvia's Place. Let me see if I can find it. There she is. Oh, she is so pretty. It's called Tattoo. I'll put the name on the screen. And she's beautiful. Look at her. Look at her on me. And it's matte. There's also a metallic one. I haven't used it yet, but when I do, you'll be the first to know. So yeah, let me know how you're doing in the challenge. You guys are pretty quiet. I feel like I'm going through this alone. What else? You know what? I think that's about it. This is going to be a quick video. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that your Valentine's Day is just how you want it to be. If you want to be alone, I hope you are alone. If you want to have a cute date with Bae, go on a cute date with Bae. And you know what? Stop letting other people control what you should be doing. If you want to go on a date, then like, you know, take control. Drop like several hints. I don't think I'm going to be doing anything special. I mean, I have work and I also want to upload this video, so I'm probably going to be editing most of the day. And then I think we're just going to go to the movies. We're going to go see The Photograph. My girl Issa Rae, you know, I had to. As soon as I saw the trailer, I knew I was going to go see it. So I dropped several hints. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do want to see this makeup look, let me know. I think I'll just edit it and upload it on my Instagram. If you're not subscribed or following me on Instagram, follow me. If you're not subscribed here, subscribe. Hit the bell button. It's free. Don't be stingy. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next one. You know what the bad thing is right now? As much as my face is so big, I will take this all off tonight. I need to take a bunch of Instagram pictures. That's what I need to do.